June is going to show her camper off and all the gadgets that I'm going to a lot of work of putting in it. Right, anything you want to say, June?
No, welcome to the camper.
Dashcam is the latest thing. The key thing is, don't forget, we're not in the business of selling this stuff. You might be able to find stuff cheaper or better for everybody, including us. But I bought 3 of those after finding it at £20 in their local garage, and a quick test. June got it working very quickly, and there's the video from it, from that one. It's an AA, what's it called?
Road Patrol.
Road Patrol. And it just plugs into power, and there it is plugged into camper power. This is all the for women's stuff, isn't it? Cooking and things. Right, that's
the reversing camera here.
That's it, and as it happens, that came with it, and I prefer an ordinary mirror for the moment. The other sort of thing, which is overlaps, is the pensioner tracker that I've been using for years, called a Pocket Pal, and there's lots of other, Pocket Cam, and we've been getting them all up and working. So here's one on Snoopy's.
Now the time is 11:16.
Okay, Snoopy's head has just fallen off. I better repair that in a moment. Now, June has also got one of those pocket cams. June, you'd like to just come up and show that? And so, if she's going off for a walk somewhere or typically playing tennis.
Now the time is 11:16.
And you can do hands-free calls and things. So we tested this for the first time, I don't know, 2017 or something, and so I'd be driving June and see where I was, including perhaps waiting at some traffic lights, and can make a hands-free call. Okay, right, now the camper van, that's the easy stuff, putting dash cams and things, looking out obviously in all directions. Might be used for Snoopy's attempts as a mobile quarters. However, when we look on the roof, we find some things work and some things are missing. Right, we're now going to put a ladder up so we can look on the top of the roof. As everybody knows, I'm a stickler for health and safety, so June is holding the ladder. Right, I'm going up now, also holding the camera to look on the roof. Now, we only did that for the first time yesterday. And the satellite stuff works. The free view, the other side there, that little round thing, that doesn't work, but it will be possible to get it working. And obviously these are nice skylights. And we found there was no solar panel, which we thought there was when we bought it. But the good thing is there's loads of space for solar panels, so we just need to get the job done professionally. And then the thing should be self-sufficient and not have to plug in wire. Right, so we had to fix Snoopy, just had to put his head on, so just check that he's working.
Now the time is 11:25.
Sounds good. That matches up. Snoopy's been guarding the peanuts. So, okay, Joan, let's go back through our incredibly tidy house. And I'll point out one or two things. Closed circuit TV, including the camera that covers the porch area. These can be zoomed up. And the mapping supporting the Pocket Pal, and that was the position, which was only a few yards from where he was on the porch. Says the battery's still at 44%. Last position was at 11:24, and he's been there for 3 hours 35 minutes. and that's a GPS fix as opposed to based on other things like Wi-Fi and telephone masts. So out we come out here, and Juna's just put him on the table. There we go.
Now the time is 11:31.
Right, we've got our barbecue mirrors around the chimney, and what's in progress is a bit of furniture to go there to put a TV, provide power and whatever for any gadgets that people want to play with, including charging up smartphones, and that's what I've started on. Snoopy is not quite ready to make another attempt until we have a Team Joker available.